Hey guys, Kyle from J.Racenstein. You got a brand new ProTool van drone delivery skid behind me that I want to show you guys the ins and outs and every cool feature we've packed into this awesome skid. So let's take a closer look at what we got going on. Right off the back, we've got our rear doors open up. We got dual delivery reels and our dual engines and pumps. So on the left side, we got our high pressure side, and then on the right side, we got our low pressure for soap application. We got our matching reels for each right above it. These are all electric reels, so super cool, nice and convenient for rewriting all that hose. These are also both equipped with our Skid Nexus Pro system. So we got full control over the engine, our valves for soap, our valves for dirty water versus pure water. So we got a button to turn on the engine, a button to turn off the engine, and then in this case on the left side we got one button for dirty water right now, and then switch to pure water. You got an open slot if you want to add something on this left-hand side over here. Then on the right-hand side, same thing, 1 and 2, we got engine on, engine off, and we've got soap and dirty water versus pure water as well. So you have full control over turning on and off your engine, on and off your pump, and any soaps and switching between your dirty water and your pure water. So, got our metering system in here, mixing in our soaps and our chems. So most of the time you're going to be running bleach and a surfactant. This one's going to be switching different types of chems. So if you got for building wash or for nice rinsing for windows, or a surfactant for soft washing. Then we've got, you can see back in here, we've got our Skid Nexus Pro system. So all of our electronics is inside this nice waterproof box. We got a full circuit panel and an array in here. So take a closer look. Everything has got independent breakers and fuses, so if anything goes wrong, each one will have their own. You don't have anything else going out with it, and a master circuit breaker in case the whole entire skid gets overloaded, an extra layer of protection there for you. Both are remote systems, so it's a dual operator. They are planning on running this skid both at the same time, so 2 separate remotes for each operator on that front. We got 3 100-gallon tanks on here, a dirty water tank, and then 2 100-gallon pure water tanks for 200 gallons of storage of pure water, 35-gallon chem tank, and a 7-gallon surfactant tank. Then we got all of our water production and pumps over here. So we've got RO booster pump, our 12-volt delivery pump, our auto flush system for our ROs, our 110 plug GFCI, so for protection, doesn't matter where you plug that in. Our battery down below that's powering all of the 12-volt. That's going to be connected to a battery isolator that's going to connect to the van. So when that van is turned on and driving around, it's recharging your battery. And if you need to, you can turn that van on the job site and power the entire skid directly, more than enough power coming off the engine of the van to power your skid. Off the back, we got our entire filtration array. So we got dual high flow membranes, a 40-inch large, 10-inch, 40-micron large filter for debris, sediment filter, and a carbon filter. All of the water coming in this skid is going to go through all 3 of those. Then we got 1 more carbon filter for the RDI system and a dedicated DI pulling from the pure water tank, going through 1 more DI for that final polish to guarantee 0 TDS come out of a water-fed pull. And we ran a water-fed pull line on here with a dedicated remote for controlling that 12-volt delivery system, because with drones, they can do almost all the building, but sometimes you might have trees or other things that might get in the way of one area of the building, and you might have to still be able to hit it with a water-fed pull just to get that final section. Drones can't fly everywhere. Got our input hose reel right here. This is large 3/4 inch hose, about 125 feet of that on this reel. 2 more electric reels for here. Then the customer, by special request, wanted this nice manifold to distribute all of the water. So we got a fill hose. This is a loose hose he's going to be able to use to dilute his concentrated soaps or rinse out his tanks, or just have a loose hose for some quick and easy water access. We got water going into our RODI, so you can turn on and off that real easily. Direct, he's going to want to direct feed that pressure washer sometimes, depending on what he's doing, and then filling up your dirty water tank right there. There's our 7-gallon soap tank. Coming around back, you'll see, got our belt-driven 4,000 PSI pressure washer. We've got all of our remotes. This is an 8-foot-long base, a little bit longer off the backside for those filtrations. We've absolutely maximized everything we can out of this skid and fit everything in a nice, easy to access, easy to maintain, easy to change out filters or anything else skid that's going to perform. That RODI system is going to produce about 4.5 gallons a minute of RO and DI water going into those tanks. So he's going to have virtually zero downtime on pure water delivery as long as he's producing water into the tanks at the same time he's spraying with that drone. So this is the ultimate drone delivery skid that we got right now for drone cleaning if you're doing buildings, sidings, or pure water for windows.